Hello and welcome back to another daily edition of the G Options Daily Analysis. My name is Adam Stone. Some call me the General, others another name. I'm here to lead you through the daily market news. On the board behind me you can see I've been out to the shops and bought myself some new colours, and I hope that today I can give you some last minute ideas on how to trade through this lovely US session that we're seeing actually established right now. As we can see, bit of a quiet day. Yeah, right, there's a ton of news out there, there's a ton of assets moving, and I get this question regularly. What hours are good to trade? Which markets are best to trade, or which assets are best to trade? Remember people, with G options and with binary options trading in general, you just need an opinion. The best time to trade is the time that you can sit down, focus, do your trades, and get out the action that you want to get. So I really recommend for all of you, if you're looking for the right time to trade, the right time is when you can take a few minutes, close off the phones, close off the family and friends, and focus in on what really matters, where that price is at that moment in time, and what your opinion is in terms of direction. Moving forward, we're having a look at world equities. They are dipping. And really on the other side of that factor, the other side of the spectrum, we're looking at US dollar gaining. Obviously the Fed Reserve policy to come, that's going to hit us next week. It is based on the stimulus. Every time the Fed Reserve talks about its stimulus packages, the market tends to be a little bit static, with equities tending to really just dip down ever so slightly, and actually really still dealing with the ongoing Syria problems, still dealing with ongoing issues. That US dollar is gaining as usual. Moving forward, US index prices are falling. Bit of a shock horror there, but not really too surprising. They're coming off the back of 7 straight winning sessions. So what you can see here, Dow Jones, it's down. NASDAQ, we're coming down. S&P 500, coming down. It's down, down, down all the way. Like I said, no such thing as a quiet day. Moving forward into the last point of the news, we're looking at these euro-based assets. Realistically, they're all on the rise right now. Checking out the ECB, President Mario Draghi's speech earlier today. Again, mixed news, but you know what? This guy, this new president of the ECB, he's got character, he's got flair, or at least a little bit more than the last one in. So when he does come to speak, it does influence some good positive growth. And as we've been reporting the last few days, if you've been watching my videos, pretty much every single prediction and hot pick has been bang on the money. Moving forward to the hot picks, you can see I've focused on 2 euro assets, mixing them with the news itself. Euro versus pound sterling, euro versus Japanese yen. Right now at this time in the early evening, as we're into this US session on the 12th of September, things are moving upwards ever so slightly. Euro dollar's quite tricky, remember, because the dollar's gaining and the euro's gaining. So really it's all about the price action there. If I were you trading that asset, I'd be looking for it to break up past 133.400. If it does that, I'd have a good bet that it's going back up to 134 exactly or above. My Skype information is behind me here. Of course, my email, my Skype's on the comment section. Just a little extra from me today. Normally I put some free resources and an extra bit or piece, extra slice of cake for you guys in there. Here, I'm just asking if you want to earn some more. Some of you don't actually know I run a fantastic, highly paid referral service. We at G Options, we don't have millions of dollars to market. We do not spend millions of dollars on advertising. We are a small family team catering to thousands of traders. So, I ask you, do you have friends that trade? Do you have friends that are interested in financial betting, in financial entertainment, in financial trading? Perhaps you've got your own website or your own blog, something that we can actually generate revenue from. Here's an address, www.partners.goptionspartners.com. If you can get yourself registered there, I can show you the ways to earn from $50 to $1,000 and more per person that you refer to this wonderful company that I help to run. My name's been the General Stone. I hope you have a fantastic day trading, and best of luck.